When the upper bound of the identity is infinity, the series is called an infinite series and, as a result, has infinitely many terms in its expansion. Let's find the first four terms of the sum of -1 to the k plus 1 times 1/3 to the k minus 1 as k goes from 0 to infinity. The first term of the series occurs at the smallest value of k. The series starts at 0, so substitute 0 into the general term to find the first term. After the substitution, we see that the first term is -1 to the 0 plus 1 times 1/3 to the 0 minus 1. We replace k with 1 to find our second term, with 2 to find our third term, and with 3 to find the fourth term. -1 to the 3 plus 1 times 1/3 to the 3 minus 1. Remember that this is an infinite series, so to maintain equality we must include the rest of the terms. Next we simplify the exponents in each term and evaluate some of the simpler powers. In the first term, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 0 minus 1 is -1. So we have -1 to the first, or -1 times 1/3 to the -1. Next, 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have -1 squared, or 1 times 1/3 to the 0th power, or 1. The third term is -1 cubed times 1/3 to the first, or -1 times 1/3. Similarly, our fourth term is 1 times 1/3 squared. Remember to include the remaining terms. Fully simplifying each term, we find that the expanded form of our infinite series is -3 plus 1 minus 1/3 plus 1/9 minus ...